Hi, I'm Jo Circuit, a wellness facilitator, educator and practitioner with over 25 years experience supporting carers, health professionals and community organisations. I work closely with individuals in the disability, aged care and neurodiverse space, and one thing is very clear, our carers are often running on empty. They're giving so much of themselves, physically, mentally and emotionally, and without the right support in place, burnout, overwhelm and compassion fatigue can quickly build, along with a feeling of isolation. That's where my carers retreats come in. These retreats are designed as a proactive and restorative wellbeing experience, supporting carers to regulate their nervous system, reduce stress and reconnect with themselves and other like-minded people. A big focus of my work is around rest, replenishment and nourishment by using strategies and around the nervous system regulation, improving sleep, teaching organisational strategies and to help enhance mental clarity and creating meaningful connections with others. Because when those areas are supported, everything starts to feel more manageable. Across each retreat, I guide participants through evidence-based and practical strategies, including mindfulness, breath work, gentle movement, somatic healing, and nervous system tools that they can use in their everyday life. We also include a range of engaging and restorative activities such as Tai Chi, gentle stretching, movement, neurodynamics, and brain gym, along with journaling, sound healing, dancing, self-reflexology, and massage, as well as creative activities. The retreats bring a balance of rest and a well-needed pause, as well as rejuvenation and feeling reinvigorated. Just as importantly, these retreats create space for connection, because when carers feel seen, supported and understood, their capacity to care sustainably improves. The outcomes are powerful. We see improved emotional well-being, increased resilience, better stress management, improved sleep, and carers walking away with practical tools they can use well beyond their retreats. These retreats can be delivered as a half day, full day, over several days or an ongoing program, tailored to suit your organisation, your team or your community. My goal is simple, to support the people who are supporting everyone else. If you're looking to invest in the well-being of your carers and create meaningful, lasting impact, I'd love to work with you. You can find more information through the link, and I'm always here for a conversation about how we can tailor something to your needs.